What if I tell you that you may be addicted and you don't even know it? It starts small, very small, just 5 minutes, just one time, just one habit. You say it's normal, everyone does it. But slowly, this small habit begins to control your time, your mind, and your life. Today's story is about a boy who thought he was free, but he was not. And at the end of this story, you will ask yourself one serious question: am I doing the same thing? Stay with me until the end because the ending may surprise you. Rohan was a normal college student. He was smart, he had dreams, he wanted to become successful. He woke up every morning with big plans. But there was one small habit in his life: his phone. Every morning, the first thing he did was check his phone. Just 5 minutes, he said, only 5 minutes. He opened social media, he watched one short video, then another, then another. Suddenly, 40 minutes were gone. He was later for class, but he said, it's okay, tomorrow I will take up earlier. At night, the same thing happened. After dinner, he said, I will relax for 10 minutes. He opened his phone, he scrolled, he watched funny videos, he watched game clips, he watched random content. Time passed quickly. 1 hour, 2 hours, 3 hours. When he looked at the clock, it was 1:30 am. But he said, this is normal, everyone does this. After some months, something changed. His grades became lower. He felt tired in class. He could not focus on studying. His teachers noticed. His parents noticed. But Rohan didn't notice. He said, I am just stressed. But the truth was different. He was addicted. So, first we discuss what is addiction. Addiction is not only about drugs or alcohol. Addiction is when you cannot stop something even when you know it is bad for you. Addiction is when you say just one more time again and again. Addiction is when something controls you, and Rohan didn't know that this phone was controlling him. A small warning. One day, his best friend Aman visited him. Aman said, let's go outside, let's play football. Rohan said, wait just 5 minutes. He didn't move. He was watching videos. Aman waited. 5 minutes became 20. 20 became 30. Finally, Aman left. Rohan didn't even notice. That night he felt lonely, but he didn't understand why. One day, something serious happened. Rohan had an important exam. He studied a little, but not enough. The night before the exam, he wanted to sleep early, but he opened his phone just 10 minutes, he said. 3 hours later, he was still scrolling. The next day, he felt tired and confused during the exam. He forgot simple answers. When the results came, he failed. For the first time in his life, he failed. He was shocked. He felt ashamed. He felt angry. But who was responsible? That evening, he looked at himself in the mirror. He asked, why is this happening to me? He opened his phone again, but this time something was different. He checked his screen time: 7 hours per day, 7 hours. Almost one third of his day. He was silent. He realized something painful. He was not using his phone was using him. He tried to stop. He kept his phone away. After 10 minutes, he felt uncomfortable. He felt bored. He felt empty. His hands wanted to hold the phone. His mind said, just check once. He understood the truth. He was addicted, and addiction is dangerous because it feels normal. Rohan decided to change. Not a big change, a small change. He made one simple rule: no phone in the morning for 1 hour. The first day was difficult. He felt bored. He didn't know what to do, so he started reading a book, just 10 pages. The second day was still hard, but he continued. After 1 week, something amazing happened. He felt calm, he felt focused, he felt free. His grades slowly improved. He slept better. He talked more with his parents. He met his friends again. He played football with Aman. He laughed. He felt alive. The phone was still there, but now he controlled it. It didn't control him. Many people think addiction means something big and dangerous, but sometimes addiction looks simple. It looks normal. It looks like everyone else. But if something steals your time, your focus, and your happiness, it is dangerous. Now I want to ask you something. How many hours do you spend on your phone? Do you check it first thing in the morning? Do you say just 5 minutes? Do you feel uncomfortable without it? Be honest. This story is not only about Rohan, it's maybe about you. You do not need to stop everything today. You do not need to delete all apps. Start small, 1 hour without phone, 1 hour for reading, 1 hour for learning English, 1 hour for your dreams. Small habits create big results, and small bad habits create big problems. Choose carefully. Rohan learned something important. Freedom is not doing what you want. Freedom is controlling what controls you. The habit was small, but it was dangerous. The question is, what habit is controlling your life today? Think about it and remember, you are stronger than your habits.